How to use CLV Wallet Dapp Browser. Prioritizing users' experience, the overall architecture of the CLV Wallet offers Dapp Browser, which shows all the famous projects in different Web3 realm. CLV Dapp Browser is definitely one of the best ways to explore the Web3 world. After that, let's open the CLV Dapp Browser with just a few clicks using the CLV Wallet. From the landing page of your wallet, hit the Dapp Explorer column by clicking the primary button in the middle bottom of the screen. Next, please choose the project you want to connect by using CLV Wallet. The projects on the banner location are usually having some big activities with CLV project. Click the favorite button on the top right of each project boxes. The favorite dApps will be listed under Favorite tab. Also, if you click any project boxes to their official websites, you will see these projects also listed under Recent tab.